Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling Circle to search so the tool is ready. Go to Settings, Advanced Features, and turn it on. Next, grant microphone, location, and screen capture permissions. These let you search from the screen and use voice. Once done, learn the gesture. Press and hold the navigation bar or pinch with 2 fingers on newer models to open the Circle selector. Practice quickly so the tool feels natural. This first step gets you into the workflow immediately and avoids interruptions later. You now use the Circle to capture content. Drag to outline the exact area, text, an image, or a QR code and release. The Results panel appears with tabs like Text, Image, Translate, and Shopping. Tap the one that fits your intent. If you need precision, use the crop handles or switch to manual text selection. Once selected, refine the query by typing or tapping the microphone to speak. That narrows results faster and helps when OCR or recognition needs clarification. Finish by acting on the result. Open links, copy text, translate phrases, or tap shopping results to view products. Make sure you review recognized text for OCR errors before copying. If Circle to Search fails, check permissions first and clear the app cache. Re-enable the feature in settings if needed. If recognition remains inconsistent, restart your phone and install any pending system updates. This combination fixes most issues. If not, try a different lighting or zoom level and repeat the capture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.